So I'm here with Shelly, who's going to talk about her career as a GLD trainee and what she wants to do next. So Shelly, tell us about how you joined the GLD.
So prior to joining GLD, I studied part-time for my law degree.
So you were already working, weren't you?
Yes, I had a previous career in insurance, so I was working full-time and then doing the law degree when I had the time.
That must have been really difficult to get those exams done.
Oh, it could be at times. I think it was just a case of sort of staying motivated and finding the time, being really, really clever with your time.
And how did you find out about GLD?
So as I was getting towards the end of the law degree, I started to think about where I'd want to train. So I did a bit of research online about different types of law you could go into. And I found GLD online and just read a little bit more into it. Sounded really interesting.
What was attractive about it?
I think it was public service part of it, but also it was sort of work that you do at GLD. It wasn't sort of typical work you would get the opportunity to do anywhere else.
Yeah, brilliant. And so when did you start your training contract?
September 2022.
So you're in your last seat now.
Yeah.
And how's it been?
Yeah, I've really enjoyed it. I've done my whole training contract in Leeds, so I've had a real mix of seats. My first two seats were litigation seats, one in the Ministry of Justice private law and inquest team, and then in the employment group. And then I did a seat in the commercial law group as well. I'm now in Department of Health and Social Care Legal Advisors, and it's an advisory seat, which is different, but it's all been really interesting so far.
So do you think you know what you might want to do next?
I really enjoyed litigation.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I like the structure of it, and I thought it was some of the things we dealt with, particularly in MOJ, private law and inquests, was so interesting.
I love that too.
Yeah, really interesting.
So do you get a lot of choice as to where you qualify into?
Yeah, I can express preferences. I'm aware that I'll need to do that in the next few months. So at the moment, I've just been attending like shadowing sessions to try and get a bit more of an idea of what's out there. And yeah, they've been really interesting as well. I think I might probably go for something, try and put a preference for something litigation to start with.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
And you get a very wide range of experience in litigation too, so that'll be good at the beginning of your career.
Yeah.
So would you recommend training with GLD?
Yeah, definitely. I think right from the beginning, trainees get a lot of responsibility and a lot of interesting things that they can get stuck into. But at the same time, I don't think you're ever really left on your own to just work things out. In a struggle, I think the support you get from your colleagues, your supervisors is just really, really good.
Well, it's really brilliant to hear. Thank you.